In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Nano Banana AI for interior design. Open your web browser and head to Google. This keeps everything simple and ensures you start from a familiar place. In the search bar, type Google Gemini, then press Enter. You're looking for the official Google Gemini result, which will take you to the app where the Nano Banana image tools are available. Click the link to open Gemini. If you're prompted to sign in, just continue so you can access the creative features. Once you're inside the Gemini app, find and click the Create Image button. This opens the image generation workspace and activates the Nano Banana tools you'll use for visual interior transformations. Think of it as the design canvas, where you'll feed an image and a description, and let the model propose an upgraded look. Next, click the plus sign to upload your reference image. Choose a clear photo of the space you want to transform. An imperfect or outdated bedroom works perfectly here. For best results, pick a photo with the whole room in view, good lighting, and minimal motion blur. That helps the model understand layout, proportions, and existing finishes, so the redesign looks believable. Now, write your prompt. A great starting prompt for this demo is, change the interior to a modern luxury interior. I want a black and white theme. Keep your wording direct and descriptive so the model knows the style, palette, and mood. If you want to go further, you can specify materials and details right in the same prompt, such as matte black metal accents, white marble or quartz surfaces, textured white walls, low-profile furniture, layered lighting with warm, dimmable LEDs, and minimal clutter. You can also mention layout preferences like keeping the current bed position, adding a statement headboard, or prioritizing symmetry. The more clearly you describe the outcome, the closer the result will match your vision. When you're happy with the prompt, click Submit. Give the model a moment to process your photo and generate the redesigned image. You'll see a new version of the room that follows your black and white modern luxury direction. As you review, notice how the tool handles contrast, lighting, and material finishes against your original space. If you'd like a stronger luxury feel in future iterations, emphasize high contrast tones, reflective surfaces, soft indirect lighting, and cohesive hardware finishes in your prompt. That's all you need to create a polished interior concept in minutes. You started at Google, opened Gemini, launched the image creation workspace, uploaded a reference room, wrote a focused design prompt, and submitted it to generate a modern black and white luxury makeover using Nano Banana.